What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make slow motion videos using just your smartphone and CapCut app. Let's hop in. So first of all, you have to import your file, that's the video you want to add slow motion to, into CapCut. Since we have our video here, just click on this mute clip. Then first thing first, what I normally do is that I separate my videos into different sections by cutting them. So I'm going to take my first cut where he stops here. As here, I'm going to take my first cut. Then after this part, I'm going to take another cut at this particular place here. Then I leave this section of the video. So I've divided my videos into 3 parts. So let's go for the first one. You click on this speed here. Then you click on curve, click on custom, then you take it this way. We have 5 dots here, so we're going to be using this dot to make our animation. You can easily use any of this animation here. That's what I normally do on my videos, but this is a tutorial video, so I'm going to use the custom. But let's just check out this one and see. It was given right. Okay, the second one. It was given right. The fourth one. So I'm not using any of those. We're going to click on custom. Then we are going to adjust it ourselves. Let's see this first part. You can decide to bring this one down a bit. Raise this one high. Raise this one high. You can decide to add a bit here. Bring it down. Take this up. Then bring this down a bit. Let's see what we have. You can click on this smooth slow-mo. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not using that for this tutorial anyway. We'll click on this check mark. Then we'll head over to the next video. Click on custom. Then just do the same thing here. So I'm going to create another bit here. I'm going to add a bit. So I'm going to raise this. Let's see what I have here. So I'm not that okay with it, but it's a kind of slow. So let's see. I think I like what I see. Then as for this part, we're going to slow the first part of it a bit. So let's click on custom here. This first part, we're going to take it down a bit to make it a bit slow. Then add a bit here to make it fast. Let's see how it goes. Once it turns back, we're taking it down. I don't like it. You just have to tweak it the way you like, you understand? It's just a thing of what your choice is, you get. So once you're done, let's take a look at this. One more thing, you can add motion blur to make your video more engaging. Let's say I want to add motion blur to this, so you just scroll down here where you see motion blur. Click on it, click the check mark, and do the same for the other clip also. Add the motion blur. If you want to learn how to add music to your footage or extract music from videos, watch this video.